Hello there. This is Teaching with Mr. Kevin. I'm so happy to be back. Today we are Tuesday, February 22nd, the day of all the twos. And I hope you are enjoying yourself. And I'm very, very grateful that you've made your way to my channel where I can show you things that are relevant to teaching online if ever your class closes because of a COVID-19 positive case. So a tool that I really liked, I still like it. I would really like to show you Cami. So Cami is not free, but there is a free trial version, but it is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful tool to use while you are online teaching. Okay, so Cami is an annotative tool that you can use to annotate on PDFs that you have already made. So if you have work or lessons or sheets that are PDFs, the student can annotate on that PDF rather than having to print it off or take a picture. At the beginning of my online teaching, I was not aware of Cami. And what I was doing was I was taking a picture of that assignment. I was scanning it on my phone. I was putting it on Google Slides. I'd put in text boxes so students can write their answers in. It was imagine having to do that for all of your work, really. It would have been a really long and tedious process. So I was really thankful that I came across Cami. So like I said, it's not free, but there is a 60-day trial. And during COVID, it was free at first. But I don't think it's going to be like that anymore. But it's a 60-day free trial. Take it up with your administrator, or if you want to pay for it because it's so good. This is not sponsored by Cami. It's a really miraculous tool. I'm going to show you how to go on Cami and how to install it on your browser. So you're going to go into your browser and you're going to type in Cami Chrome extension. My students use Chromebooks, and this is what they use it on. So I do recommend you use it on Google Chrome because it's just easier because if you have used Google Classroom and you have a G Suite, well, this is just easy peasy stuff right here. So here you're going to see, so you clicked on that and now you see Cami for Google Chrome. So here it's in French, but basically it just says add to Chrome. So I'm going to click on add to Chrome. Then it's going to ask me, you want to add it? Okay, you add it. Great. It's been added. So then you see it in the puzzle piece here. And then you'll see Cami shows up. So it's added just like that. That's great. So now you're going to go on your Google Classroom. So you go in your Google Classroom and then you're going to see a different option here. So you're going to go on Classwork. Then you're going to go on Create. Then you're going to see a Cami assignment. So Cami assignment is different than an assignment or quiz assignment because Cami assignment, let's see what it does. Oh, okay, I got to log in. Well, that's fine. You can see what it does. I'll log in like that. Don't tell me I have to put in my password. Okay, so because I added it, I have to accept all this again. So now it's going to go. Okay, so I'm just going to say for quiz. Then I'm going to look for a file. So then I put that in there. And I put instructions if I want. Put it on a certain number of points. Put it to all students, put it due for today or tomorrow, I'd say. Topic, then you choose, okay, I'll go here. And then here it says send Kami instructions to students. I think that's a good idea to do that. They might not look at it, but it's going to be for their reference, and they'll be able to see how to use Kami if ever they need. And add links for mobile devices. You never know where students are doing work from, so I just leave all that default stuff in, and then you can go assign. You have the same kind of thing. You can assign it or save draft or schedule. Then you can just press assign like that. Oh yeah, and you also see make a copy for each student. That's very important. Keep that. They're going to recommend that. So then you're going to see it's created, and then it's going to pop up if I refresh the page. Okay. So then I go on that, and then let's say I open it as a student here. I go on there, and then I'm going to see a button here, open with Kami. So I'm going to click that, or if this button doesn't show up, don't panic, because you also have another option here, open with, and then you're going to go annotate with Kami. So both work. So then here you're going to use it, and then you can just use the drawing tool to circle answers, or you can use the text box, right? Sometimes you gotta click it more than once. Okay, and then you can annotate all over it. If you want another video going through all of the tabs, let me know in the comments. I'm very open to doing that. But to be honest, most of the tabs that I use text box, I use drawing, and I don't even really use eraser because I have a trick here. If you go to this little menu here, 3 lines, you go delete all annotations. You click that, and you delete that way, and then it's deleted. See? But let me know if you want. I can do a little bit of research on my own because I don't really use these other ones. I just use text box and the drawing tool, and sometimes shapes if I'm doing math. All right? Well, that was it for me today, showing you how to put Kami on your Chrome extension and how to create a Kami assignment and using Kami to its potential. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell for updates when I can give you more updates about online teaching, Google Classroom, and the like. So let me know what else you'd like to see in the comments. Have a good night or day or wherever you are.